Hello, welcome to GOOFIT product show. Today we will introduce two electric starter. The right side is 3-bolt top-mounted starter, and the left side is down-mounted starter. They are all replacement for 4-stroke 50cc to 125cc GY6 engines, quad dirt bikes, go-kart, and Chinese scooters. The product, all made of excellent heavy metal material, has a stable and reliable performance. This electric starter has good heat dissipation and long surface life. A great replacement part for the spare parts market. Directly replace your old and defective spare part. Professional installation will be highly recommended. Click links below for more product information. You can scan the QR code on the back of the keychain, follow us on Facebook, and subscribe our GOOFIT YouTube channel as well. Thanks for watching and see you next time.